StubCreator. Introducing Advanced Tool, a smarter way to add additions, deductions. First, turn on the Advanced tool to unlock more options. Start by filling in basic details like state, pay frequency, hourly rate, and hours worked. Want to add a bonus or overtime? Just click on Add Addition and include any extra earnings you need. Enter details like description. Select stub, rate, hours, current pay, and a DD if needed to make your pay stub more complete. Need to add deductions? Just click on a deduction to include taxes or other deductions. Enter details like description. Select stub, current pay, and a DD if needed to make your pay stub more complete. Everything is calculated automatically and added to your pay stub once you have added all required data. Your final pay stub includes all additional earnings, accurate deductions, optional ADD values, updated net pay. Try the StubCreator Advanced tool today and create pay stubs with complete earnings and deductions, fast, simple, reliable, accurate.